How to build a dating app like Bumble. Ever wondered why dating apps feel so addictive? Or why some profiles get way more matches than others? Well, today, we're not just gonna tell you how to build a dating app like Bumble, we're also gonna reveal insider secrets that most people don't know. Like, why Bumble intentionally slows down matches for some users and how AI secretly decides who sees your profile. Let's get started. 1. The secret psychology behind Bumble's success. Alright, first, what makes Bumble different? Sure, it's the women make the first move thing, but there's more going on behind the scenes. Here's a little known fact: Bumble and Tinder both use a secret ELO score, similar to how chess ranks players. Your first few swipes determine your attractiveness score, which decides who sees your profile. What does this mean for your app? You can use AI-powered smart matchmaking to rank users based on compatibility, not just swipes. That means better matches and happier users. Pro tip: people stay longer on apps that make them feel selectively chosen. Use AI to boost engagement. 2. Core features you need. Every dating app needs the basics, right? Profile creation and swiping. Matching algorithm. Chat and messaging. Location-based discovery. But here's where you can go beyond the basics and stand out: video and audio speed dating. Think of it like TikTok meets dating. With quick video intros before matches. AI-powered match suggestions. AI studies a user's interactions and recommends better matches over time. Ghost mode feature. A privacy-focused mode where users can explore without revealing their identity. Pro tip: users love control, giving them features like hide from exes or anonymous browsing can make your app go viral. 3. The tech stack that can make or break your app. Let's talk tech, but don't worry, we'll keep it simple. For the front end, Flutter for iOS plus Android, or Swift/Kotlin for native apps. For the back end, Node.js, Firebase, or Django work well. AI for smart matching? TensorFlow, used by major dating apps. Security and scalability? AWS, Google Cloud, PostgreSQL. Pro tip: apps that load 1 second faster get 10% more engagement. Speed equals better user retention. For how dating apps secretly make money. Here's where things get really interesting. Did you know that most dating apps make more money from inactive users than active ones? Secret number 1. Algorithmic FOMO. Some apps slow down matches for non-paying users to push them into buying premium plans. Secret number 2. Ad targeting goldmine. Dating apps collect hyper-specific data, making them ideal for targeted ads. Freemium model. Basic features are free, but premium plans include super likes, read receipts, profile boosts. Pro tip: your dating app's biggest revenue stream? People's fear of missing out. Design features that make them feel like they need to upgrade. 5. The hidden security risks you must fix. Now, let's talk about something most developers ignore: security and user safety. Fact: in 2023 alone, over 10 million fake dating profiles were removed across major platforms. How to keep your app safe: real-time photo verification, AI checks for fake images. Voice and video verification prevents catfishing. AI-powered scam detection detects fraudulent messages. Pro tip: nothing ruins a dating app faster than fake profiles. Invest in security from day one. 6. How to get your first 100,000 users? Okay, so you've built the app. How do you actually get people to use it? The viral launch formula. Step 1. Find a niche. Bumble started with female-led dating. What's your angle? Step 2. Use TikTok and Instagram influencers. This works better than paid ads. Step 3. Gamify invites. Hinge gave early users exclusive badges. Pro tip: people love exclusivity. Create a waitlist and make your app feel exclusive. And that's how you build a dating app like Bumble. But here's the thing: you don't have to figure it all out alone. Click the link in the description to book a free consultation with Apptunix. Our team has built high-performing dating apps for startups and brands just like yours. Let's turn your idea into reality.